Alright, we're integrating the fraction dx over 17 plus x squared. Now this is one of those trig inverse integrations. The rule we'll be using is the integral of basically 1 over a squared plus u squared dx is equal to 1 over a times the tangent inverse of u over a plus c. And we don't have endpoints, so the plus c will be there. But let's compare what we've got. We've got 17 as a squared, so that means a is the square root of 17. Not a pretty number, but that's what we got. And we've got the x squared is the u squared, so u is x. So when we go to integrate this thing, everything is in perfect position. Yes. So it's 1 for 1. So let's just go right ahead. So the integral here will be from the left-hand side, the right-hand side over here. Ooh, I don't need that. We're going straight in. So it'll be 1 over a. So it'll be 1 over square root of 17. Most people will probably rationalize that. We'll see. The tangent inverse of u over a, but u is x, so it'll be x over a, which was square root of 17. That'll be plus c. So that's where I would go. My u was x, and my a was square root of 17. So I think I have all those in the right place. So pretty simple because it's already lined up.